Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a new topic in Linux, how to create directories and files in Linux. Very simple topic, but yet we are going to cover that. For this we require the terminal. So I am opening the terminal. Now for creating directories first, we are going to use the command mkdir. Mk stands for make and dir stands for directory. So I'm going to create a directory. The name of the directory may be demo and press enter. You will see that on the desktop itself the demo directory will be created. Suppose I want to create two or more directories together. I will write the same command mkdir demo1 space demo2 space demo3. This will create few more directories on the desktop itself. Why it is being created on the desktop? Because the path given is desktop over here, and that is the reason it is being created in the desktop. So this is how we can create the directories. Now suppose I want to remove the directories. There is a command rmdir. Again, rm stands for remove and dir stands for directory. I will remove the directory called as demo2 and press enter. I can remove the directory by using the command rmdir. If I type ls, that is the listing command, you will find that the demo2 directory has been removed, or you can say it is being deleted. You can also remove multiple directories by just giving a space as we have created the directories. I will show it to you. rmdir is the command. Then you need to write the name of the directory, that is demo. Suppose another directory, that is demo3. I want to remove these two directories. I need to give it a space in between the name of the two directories and press enter. Once I press enter, you will find that with the help of ls command or listing command, there is only one directory which is being left, that is your dem01 is the directory which is being left now. So with this we have understood how to create a directory as well as how to remove a directory. Now we are going to understand how to create an empty file inside a directory. Now since I have deleted most of the directories, I will just create one more directory. Suppose it is mkdir test. This is the directory which I am creating. Now once the directory is being created, if I have to go inside the directory, there is a cd command, that is a change directory command. I'm going to go inside this directory. You will find that instead of desktop, now the test has been come. I am inside this directory. Now for creating files inside the directory, we are going to use the touch command. So if I write touch file1, this is going to create an empty file over here. If I type ls, you will find that the file1 is being created inside the test directory. Okay, now you can see that in this particular test directory there is an empty file that is being created. There is no content inside this data. So you can remember this, that the touch command is used to create the files. Now if I want to delete the files, I'm going to write rm command. So rm file1, this is the file which I want to delete now. It is asking me whether it is an empty file. I will say yes, it is an empty file, you can remove it. And if I type ls, it will show that from the test directory the file has been now removed. There is no file which is present inside this particular directory. So this was the main difference which I wanted to show you between how to create a directory and how to create the empty files. That's it for today's video. If you like the concept of how to create a directory, how to delete the directory, how to create a empty file, and how to delete that particular empty file, if you understand and like this particular video, please do click on like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.